Austin. Let me know when you're ready. Oh, where are you going? Oh, okay. You're not an idiot. Yeah. All right. Nice. We got Rick over here, the waterfall back here, and then this way we have Esther, who is just baptized, and an incredible drop. Oh man, that is awesome. Oh, I gotta go down to the bottom. I cannot see the bottom. Oh, how long will it take? Have you done it? Uno, dos, tres. Oh, it's great to be able to do that. Hola. Go ahead. We've been running now about 15 minutes, maybe. No, 10? Give me a break.